more and more states are joining the list of states to implement a partial lockdown, night curfew, or weekend lockdown in their jurisdiction owing to a rise in COVID-19 cases. You're watching TV9 Digital. I am Adarsh Vepachedu, and in this video, I will be telling you about the measures states have taken in the latest to keep COVID-19 cases in check. Let's start with Karnataka. On Tuesday, the state government announced a weekend curfew and night curfew across the state. The night curfew will be imposed between 9 p.m. to 6 a.m. starting today, while the weekend curfew will be in effect between 9 p.m. on Friday till 6 a.m. on Monday. Schools, colleges, educational, training and coaching institutions will remain closed. Online and distance learning shall continue to be permitted and be encouraged. All cinema halls, shopping malls, gymnasiums, yoga centers, spas, sports complexes, stadia, swimming pools, entertainment and amusement parks, theaters, bars and auditoriums, assembly halls and similar places will remain closed till the 4th of May. Restaurants and eateries are permitted to operate and only take-home or parcels would be allowed. Retail businesses dealing with food, groceries, fruits, vegetables, dairy and milk booths, meat and fish and animal fodder will be allowed to function. All religious places and places of worship will be closed to the public. However, all personnel engaged in the service of the places of worship shall continue to perform their rituals and duties without involving any visitors. While marriages are permitted, strictly adhering to coronavirus appropriate behavior with a maximum of 50 people, cremation or funerals will be allowed with a maximum of 20. Standalone liquor shops, bars and restaurants are permitted for takeaway only. Barber shops, salons, beauty parlors can operate strictly adhering to the COVID-19 rules. There shall be no restriction on interstate and intrastate movement of persons and goods. Next up, Puducherry, on the other hand, is all set to go into a complete lockdown from Friday night, that is April 23rd, to Monday morning, April 26th. There will be a direct closure of all shops after 2 p.m. Restaurants, food courts and tea shops can remain open till 8 p.m. with 50% seating capacity. Takeaways will be permitted till 10 p.m. Religious processions have also been banned. The Union Territory already has a night curfew in place from 10 p.m. to 5 a.m. The Uttarakhand government has ordered the closure of markets in urban areas except shops dealing in essential commodities from 2 p.m. onwards and changing of the night curfew timing across the state from 9 p.m. to 7 p.m. The night curfew timing for all 13 districts has been revised from the earlier 9 p.m. to 5 a.m. to 7 p.m. to 5 a.m. The order of closing of shops and business establishments also applies to shopping malls. Online registration and a negative RT-PCR test report not older than 72 hours has been made mandatory for those returning to the state, particularly from Delhi. All schools, degree colleges, institutes and coaching centers have been closed. The revised standard operating procedures also makes it mandatory for all modes of public transport, including buses and auto rickshaws, besides facilities like cinema halls, restaurants, bars and gyms to run at half their seating capacity. According to the new SOPs, not more than 100 people can gather for religious, political and social functions, barring the ongoing Kumbh Mela. The Jharkhand government announced a 6-day lockdown in the state starting from April 22nd to 29th. Chief Minister Hemant Soren said the period will be observed as Health Safety Week or Swasthya Suraksha Saptah. Central government, state government and private offices have been identified that will be exempted from the total shutdown. Agriculture, industries and mining operations will function as usual. Religious places will be open, but devotees in fixed numbers will be allowed. Section 144 of CRPC will be enforced across the state to prevent gatherings of people. Nobody can leave their house barring for those works where permission has been granted. Next up, Maharashtra has announced a set of new guidelines for its shops. All groceries, vegetable shops, fruit vendors, dairies, bakeries, confectionaries, all types of food shops like including chicken, mutton, poultry, fish and eggs, shops related to farm produce, pet food shops, shops related to materials for impending rainy season for individuals or organizations will be open only between 7 a.m. and 11 a.m. Earlier, all these shops were allowed to remain open till 8 p.m. Now they have only a 4-hour window. However, home delivery from the above mentioned shops may be allowed from 7 a.m. to 8 p.m. While most states are going for a weekend lockdown along with a night curfew, Kerala has decided against it. Instead, the state has planned to carry out mass COVID-19 testing in hotspots. This comes despite the positivity rate being at an all-time high in the state. Mass testing will be carried out within local body limits where the test positivity rate or TPR is higher than the district average. All the people living in these areas will be subjected to testing. A 2-week night curfew from 9 p.m. to 5 a.m. came into force on April 20th in the state. So what do you have to say about the kind of restrictions that various states are imposing in their jurisdiction and the way in which various states are dealing with the COVID-19 pandemic? Do leave your thoughts in the comment section below, and if you've liked the content that I've shared with you, make sure you like and share this video, and yes, subscribe to TV9 News on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. Until next time.